Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 6 SUVs that simply never break down, backed by Consumer Report reliability studies. Let's dive in. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that seems to have missed the memo about mechanical drama. While many SUVs in its class are busy visiting the mechanic or playing guessing games with warning lights, the CX-5 quietly gets on with the job. According to Consumer Reports, it consistently earns a 4 out of 5 in predicted reliability, and it's done so year after year, making it one of the most dependable choices in its category. What's even more impressive is that the CX-5 delivers this reliability without breaking the bank. With a starting price around $30,000, it offers the kind of build quality and long-term durability usually reserved for premium brands. And maintenance? According to RepairPal, average annual repair costs are just under $400, remarkably low for a vehicle that performs at this level. Owners often report clocking over 150,000 miles with minimal issues, typically just routine maintenance like brakes and oil changes. It avoids the common pitfalls seen in many rivals: no finicky electronics, no transmission headaches, and no cryptic engine warnings. The CX-5 simply does what it's built to do, reliably. Even Consumer Reports has singled it out as one of the most reliable SUVs available, a recognition that speaks volumes. In a segment full of big promises and bigger letdowns, the Mazda CX-5 stands out by being refreshingly predictable, for all the right reasons. Number 5. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is the kind of SUV that quietly handles its business. No drama, no surprises, just results. Think of it as the reliable neighbor who always returns your tools in better condition than they borrowed them. With recent models earning reliability scores around 86 out of 100, the Highlander has built a solid reputation for being the steady hand in a world of unpredictable vehicles. Over a decade of ownership, you're looking at roughly $6,000 in maintenance and repair costs, about $2,000 less than the average midsize SUV. That's the kind of savings that doesn't just help with gas, it's enough to fund a vacation or two, or at least keep your coffee habit fully stocked. Major repairs? The Highlander tends to avoid them. It has only a 16.6% chance of needing one within the first 10 years, well below the class average. In other words, this is a vehicle that prefers long road trips to long stays at the mechanic. Annual maintenance costs are consistently reasonable, often between $400 and $500, and in years like 2017, they dipped even lower, showing that some Highlanders are not just reliable, they're practically low-maintenance roommates. If you're looking for an SUV that won't keep you guessing, the Toyota Highlander delivers. It doesn't shout for attention, but it gets the job done, year after year, mile after mile. Number 4. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester, a vehicle that treats reliability like a personal mission. Year after year, it ranks near the top of Consumer Reports charts, often pulling in a 4.5 out of 5 for predicted reliability. That's not just good, it's elite, especially in a segment where some SUVs start developing mystery noises before hitting 80,000 miles. The Forester, on the other hand, is built for the long haul. Many owners report crossing 200,000 miles with little more than standard maintenance. And those maintenance costs? Surprisingly modest. Average annual repair bills tend to stay under $600, which makes it one of the more budget-friendly SUVs when it comes to long-term ownership. Subaru's trademark symmetrical all-wheel drive comes standard, no extra packages or surprise add-ons, which adds serious value, especially in rough weather or off-pavement situations. And with generally lower insurance premiums compared to rivals, the Forester keeps both peace of mind and costs in check. It doesn't try to impress with flashy features or overhyped tech. Instead, it shows up day after day, does its job without fuss, and quietly proves why it's earned the loyalty of so many drivers. In a market full of SUVs that talk big but stumble on follow-through, the Subaru Forester just keeps going. No gimmicks, no drama, just solid performance that lasts. Number 3. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 doesn't chase trends, it outlasts them. Known for consistency, it's earned perfect 5 out of 5 reliability scores from Consumer Reports across multiple model years. It may not turn heads, but it rarely turns into a repair bill. Think of it as that dependable tool in your garage. It just works. With an average annual repair cost around $420, about $200 less than the national average, it saves you money where it counts. Resale value is another strength. The RAV4 retains about 60% of its original value after 5 years, outpacing most rivals. Many owners report reaching 200,000 miles with minimal issues, proof of its long-term durability. In a market full of overcomplicated designs, the RAV4 stands out for one reason: it works reliably and consistently. That's why it continues to earn its place in driveways across America. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that approaches reliability with the same consistency as your morning alarm clock. In a world where unexpected breakdowns can turn a weekend getaway into a call for roadside assistance, the CR-V is refreshingly drama-free. With a predicted reliability score of 84 out of 100, it's earned its reputation as one of the most dependable vehicles on the road. Owners often report their CR-Vs pushing well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine upkeep, regular oil changes, fluid top-offs, and basic service. No mechanical theatrics, no sudden system meltdowns, just steady, predictable performance that feels almost effortless. The annual maintenance cost averages around $400, which in today's world of rising expenses feels like a rare win. Combine that with Honda's engineering philosophy of keeping things simple and durable, and you've got a powertrain built to last, backed by strong materials and proven components. What also makes the CR-V stand out is its ability to retain value. Even after 5 years, many models still hold over 60% of their original worth, which says a lot about how buyers view its long-term dependability. In short, the Honda CR-V is the kind of SUV that doesn't just perform, it endures. It quietly delivers year after year, making ownership feel less like a gamble and more like a smart, confident choice. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser, a name that's become a benchmark for durability. Designed to handle everything from deserts to mountain trails, this SUV isn't just made to drive, it's built to last. According to Consumer Reports, it consistently earns a perfect 5 out of 5 in reliability, putting it among the most dependable vehicles on the road. In the US, many Land Cruiser owners report hitting 200,000 miles without major issues, and plenty surpass 300,000 with little more than basic upkeep. Where most SUVs begin to show wear at 100,000 miles, the Land Cruiser is just getting started. While its starting price is over $90,000, that investment goes beyond luxury, it's buying peace of mind. Over 10 years, maintenance costs often stay under $6,000, which is impressively low for a full-size SUV. There are no gimmicks here, just time-tested engineering and unmatched longevity. No confusing warning lights, no constant service visits, just a vehicle built to keep going in any condition. If you're looking for reliability backed by a global reputation, proven longevity, and low upkeep, the Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just a strong choice, it sets the standard. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and reliability rankings coming soon.